Hey you guys, I hope all is well. This is going to be a video redo from actually my first how-to video a couple years ago, how to remove the glove box in the WK. If you look at that video, it was awful dark, hard to see, and I got quite a few complaints on that, so I've been telling people that I should redo it, so here we go. I'm going to redo this. Hey, before we get into that, I'm an Amazon associate. Check out the link in the description as far as any Jeep parts that you need. Or you can just go in and shop around. Go through that link and go in and shop around. Appreciate it. It'll help me to upgrade my equipment and make better videos. So anyway, here we go. Okay, there's three things here that need to be done. The first is this arm right here, and then there's two kind of tabs right here. Hopefully you can see that. And then these right here. Okay, so this arm right here, there's only one arm. And you can see this right here. This little tab or nub needs to slide this way, and then it'll pull out. There we go. So that's off. Okay, so now we'll do this side because we've got the best light here. But what you're going to do, bring that down with a screwdriver, or you can do it with your fingers, but I've tried that and my fingers got pinched. So okay, so that drops down. Oh, we're a little dusty, aren't we? My Jeep gets dirty. I suppose yours does too, once in a while. So now, with these, there's one on each side. All right, there we go. Now you got all kinds of access in there. So, hey you guys, hopefully that's a little lighter for you, able to see what you're doing, or what I'm doing. Appreciate each and every one of you. We're close to being monetized here. Share this video with somebody who might appreciate it, with like-minded Jeep people. Oh, there's my WK2, my red one. And I got a trail rated video coming up. Is trail rated really worth it? Or is it just a badge? So, God bless you guys. We'll see you next time.